Should make this easier. Oh, for heaven's sake. Hey everybody, Luxinda Swirl here, new day, new cup project. Actually, this is a redo of a cup I did about a year ago. The video is that far back. I will link to it below if you're curious to see the first time I created this. A friend has requested this. I don't have the original cup anymore, so we're gonna remake it today, and I figured I'd bring you along. I have a 20-ounce skinny straight. I've spray painted it blue. I believe this is called ink blue from Rust-Oleum, and I am going to use the purple stitches idea of putting my Pinata Blanco white alcohol ink into the resin that I put on the cup first, and then dropping the alcohol ink colors on top and getting the white to make swirls that way. This is opposed to the more traditional method of putting resin on, dropping the colors on, and then dropping white on top of the colors. So we're putting the white underneath the colors and swirling it that way. I have never once been able to find the live where the Purple Stitch first mentioned this idea. I know she said it in a live. I know she was doing a different alcohol ink swirl, and she just threw the idea out there about putting the white in the resin underneath and would it still swirl. I've asked her about it and I'm not sure she remembers saying it either. I don't think she's even tried it, but I swear it was one of her videos, so I'm still giving her credit for it. Anyway, what I'm going to do is mix up about 20 milliliters of resin. I'm going to use my Liquid Stone Ultra UV from KS Resin. I'm going to put a couple droppers full of Pinata Blanco white alcohol ink into the resin, and because I want to make sure this is all blue, I'm going to add a couple drops, just a very little amount of Cast and Craft opaque pigment in blue to the resin. So this will be a blue resin that goes on, and then all of these blue colors will be dropped on top. These are mostly Ranger. We have Denim, Cobalt, Glacier, Stonewashed, and Monsoon. And I'm also adding in Ultramarine Blue from Brie Reese, and 3 drops, instead of the 5 drops I used last time, I'm going to use 3 drops this time of the Pinata Silver. And then you'll watch me heat it up with my heat gun and tilt it and switch directions and all that stuff. So sit back and enjoy the show. And we're back. Okay, this turned out beautifully. Look at the beautiful swirls. I tried to break up the silver. I had better luck with it in the last video, but this doesn't upset me in the least. It's still gorgeous. I love this right here. I could have gotten more of that all the way around. This was 3 drops of silver, I believe. I'll have to ask the editor while she's watching this if that's what I did. Plus, I did stick a 4th one on the bottom, but yeah, it really takes over. But anyway, this one gets a decal. I am going to put that on now. We have our name. Our name, meaning the recipient's name. And I think I'm going to put it right here. Now the question is, do I put it straight or do I make it snazzy? I actually like how this looks. So we're going to go with this. We're going to go with this. There we go. A little something there I'm going to take care of. Okay. Ta-da! I think that looks very pretty. I hope Linda likes it. This gets at least one more coat of resin. I probably, believe it or not, won't put any marabou alcohol ink in this because the original didn't have that, and I was asked to remake the original as best I could, given that alcohol ink and resin, they do what they want, pretty much, obviously. But yeah, I will just cover this with completely clear resin and let it cure up and send it off to Linda. So, thanks for watching, folks. Stay safe. I'll see you in the next video.